Welcome back, Crammers, to question 20. The weight of a cake is 2.75 kg. Correct to two decimal places. Work out the lower bound of the weight of the cake. So we can see that it is 2.75. However, the lower bound is the lowest possible value it can be, that when rounded up equals 2.75. So we can actually see that it's 2.45. Why? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The lowest possible value to round up is actually 5. So the last value has to be 5. So you have 2.745. Write the upper bound of the weight of the cake. Again, we have to find the lowest value before it can round down. So that'll be 2.7549. And since the last value is 9, we can just round this up. And then we get 2.755. Penny has worked out that 81.3 times 59.2 divided by 1.9 squared on her calculator is 13,332.29917. Penny's answer is not sensible. By rounding each number to one significant figure, work out a suitable estimate showing that her answer is not sensible. Show you're working clearly. So one significant figure of 81.3 is just 80, since the next value is 1. And then we can see here 59.2. The next value is 9, so we round up, so that's 60, divided by 1.9. 9 is on rounding up, so we simply put here 2 and squared. So 80 times 60 is 4,800, divided by 2 squared is just 4, and we can see that this is 1,200. The reason they're asking us to do this is because even though we haven't changed the answer much, we can see that 1,200 is very far from 13,000. Therefore, her answer is not sensible. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.